joined my first carpentry crew in 1972. That was my first exposure to woodworking. And everything just clicked with me. It was obvious that I had a certain knack for this, and it was exciting. And one thing led to another. You start working with wood, and you look at furniture in a different light. So I've been doing it for nearly 40 years, haven't I? I'm definitely a woodaholic, so I really love them all. The woods that I use most commonly are walnut, cherry, mahogany, maple, and then maybe after that would come rosewood, satinwood. As far as workability, walnut and mahogany are probably two of the nicest woods to work with. However, tiger maple and rosewood, I think, are two of the most beautiful woods on the planet. And I love to make pieces out of them, even though they're more difficult to work with. I've owned this machine for about 34 years. The machine is about 60 years old, and it's running just as well today as I'm sure the day it came out of the factory. This machine provides the kind of performance and accuracy that allows me to be confident that the wood I'm using will fit into all of whatever I'm doing, whatever the project. It's big enough to do a nice wide board for tabletops. That's one of the reasons I like it so much, is I can put a 20-inch board through this and it doesn't even slow down. The first thing I look for in a piece of equipment is what you call fit and finish. Which I want the craftsmanship of a tool that I'm using to reflect the same dedication that the furniture I'm making has. But I decided earlier on that what I wanted it to be was a furniture maker. That my emphasis was going to be on making as fine a piece of furniture as I possibly could. So that then became the concentration. And in fact, another thing that I like about Powermatic tools is that they don't take a lot of fiddling and maintenance, so that I don't have to think about them as much. I don't have to worry whether the tool is going to be in good shape and set up and true. When I go to it to make a cut, I can just concentrate on the workpiece, the piece of wood that I'm working on, and trust that the results are going to be good. My standard of comparison would be a Powermatic. I might look at others, you know, and I might, but the thing that I would always be comparing them against, why would I buy this rather than a Powermatic? And you just look around my shop and you can see that the choices almost always become Powermatic.